Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing another pink lip video, and it is on the Makeup Forever Artist Rogue lipstick in the particular shade C106, and it is described as a pinky beige shade. Definitely a perfect description. I do see a tiny hint of lavender in there, so it's more of a mauve-y kind of pinky beige shade. But it retails for $22. You can purchase this on their website or on Sephora.com, and you get 0.12 ounces of product. Now, there are 53 shades to choose from overall, but there are 33 satin finish, which is my preference since I have dry to normal lips. So I have dry to normal skin, and I feel like the satin finish is definitely a more moisturizing formula. But what it is an extremely pigmented formula that not only provides intense opaque color, but boasts an ultra creamy non-drying formula that hydrates the lips for ultimate comfort. And I definitely think it's very unique as far as lipsticks goes, especially the packaging. I definitely haven't seen this kind of packaging within any lipstick that I've tried before. It's formulated without parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, and this is definitely one of those pinky shades that I just would like to grab on the go, bring for travel. It just matches every outfit, every look, and I love it so much. I have another color, so stay tuned out for that. But that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you on any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye, guys.